Okay, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
My
Good
God.
morning, ma'am.
Can you hear
Morning.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, children.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Hello.
me?
Ma'am, we can hear. Ma'am, we can hear you. Ma'am, we can hear you.
Ma'am.
Hello.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes.
hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. My God. Okay, children. Sorry. Sorry for the trouble. So, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, you do the activity. Great.
Wait. 1 minute. 1
Ma'am,
minute,
the
child.
homework.
1 minute. Let me discuss about the work which I have given you. Okay. That is.
Write the place
Write the
value
place value of the following decimals.
decimals.
Following decimals. Write the place value of the following decimals. And the questions were
0.29,
0.29.
2.08,
1 minute,
19.60,
1
140.2.
minute. 0.29, 2.08. Okay. So we'll do it now. Okay. The question is 0.29, which I have given you. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next one is 2.08. 2.08. So that is 2 into
1.
2 into
1
plus
0
into
into
1 by 10.
10
You did not write 0 into 1 by 2, no problem. Okay. But if you do not write it, sometimes you will forget it.
plus
Okay.
8 into 1 by 100.
1 by 100.
1
Okay.
by 100.
And the third one is
19.60.
0.60.
19.60. That is 1 into
1 into 10
1 into 10 plus
Plus
9
3
into
into
1
1 plus
plus
6
plus
into 1 by
6
10
into
1
plus
by 10
0 into 1 by
1
100.
by 100.
0
0 into 1 by 100.
1 by
Okay.
100.
0 into 1 by 100. Now you understood. 0 into 1 by 100, there is no value for it. So if you
Okay.
write 0 also, nothing will come. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one is
148 plus
148.32.
0.32 equal to 1 into
1 into
100
100
plus
plus
4
4
4
into
into
into 10
10
plus
plus
8
plus
8
into
8
2
into
into
1
1 plus
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 3 into
3
3
into
into 1 by
10
10
1 by 10 plus 2 into
plus
1 by 100.
2 into 1.
okay, fine. Then fifth one is
200.812.
200.812.
200.812. Here this is 200. It is not 002. If it 200, there is value for 0. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
2 into
2
100
into
2 into
100
100
plus
plus
0 into
0 into
10
and
10
plus 0
plus
into
0
1
into 1
plus 8 into
plus
1
8
by
into 1 by
10
10
plus
plus
1 into 1
1
by
into
100
1 by 100
2 into 1
plus
by
2
1000.
into 1 by 1000.
okay, correct. You all got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next the reverse process. Reverse process.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. And write the following as decimals. Our question is like this. Write the following as decimals. Okay. Second type question. Write the following
As decimals.
as decimals. As decimals. Write the following as decimals. First one is 20 plus 20 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Reverse.
Ma'am, so when we are write the place value of the following decimals, right? We can write like this. That means if it's 19.62,
No, no, no. No, no. That is like that itself. Each value you have to write the decimal place value. Here the question is like this.
okay.
Okay. That one like that itself. Explain each place value and write. On everything you have to write. Here it is according to the question we have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
And it is what is the answer?
29.41.
41. 29.41. It is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
29.41. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, so like this, I will send a homework.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is, will you write it? Same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next one. So this one, it is a reverse process. Question is long, but answer is very small one. So I will send it as also a homework. Now next one is, write the 1 minute. Third question is, write the following as, write the following as decimals. First one is 2 ones and 5 tenth. 2 ones and 5 tenth. 2 ones and 5 tenth. Okay, children. 2 ones. So ones place is
Yes, ma'am. 2.5.
2
2.5.
plus, you write like this first of all. 5 tenth. 2 plus 5 by 10. So it will be easy. 2 plus 5 by 10 equal to
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All of you, are you listening? Only very less children are telling the answers. So I think others know about this. You also tell
Okay, ma'am.
everybody. Okay. Second one is second one is 30 and 1/10. 30 and 1/10. You understood? No, 1/10.
Yes, ma'am.
1/10.
1 by 10. Yes, ma'am.
1 by 10. So 30 and 1/10. How will you write? 30 plus
30 plus
1 by 10
by 10.
equal to
30.1.
30.1.
1.
30.1. Now let me check like that. Any questions are there? Third one is 7 tenth. 7 tenths. 7 tenth.
Can I do
Ma'am, only this means 0.7.
7 tenth means there is no this integral part here. Integer part.
So
0
0
plus
7 by
10 equal to 0.7. So when you write that plus with plus, it will be more easier for you. Okay. Then, so like that also some questions shall I give us homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Then the reverse. Reverse means when the answer gives, decimal gives, you have to write in words.
Yes.
Okay.
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 So question will be like this. 1 minute.
Write the following as
Write the following, each of the following as decimals.
in words, right?
In words. Decimals means in words.
Yes, ma'am.
In words means the decimal number will be given, you have to write in words.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So, shall I erase it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Anna came now.
Wait.
I erased. Sorry.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you say the third question?
What was the third
7
question? 7 tenths.
Ma'am, I just came.
Mama,
I
just came.
It's okay. It's okay. It is very easy. It is very easy. You can understand it.
Ma'am, did you give a fourth question?
No,
No.
this is the fourth.
Write the following.
Ma'am, can you show the upward?
Write the following decimals in words. Previous question was the reverse of it. Words it was written and you have to write it in words. Means in decimals. Yes? Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the upward?
Nothing. I erased. Sorry. Okay. I will give one decimal number. 306.07. 07.
6 points. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give one example. 306, as you all know. 306, write that like that. 306. 306. 306. One hand will be at the last. 300. 306. 306. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
As we all read it, how we read it. And then now comes the decimal number. How will you write? 700.
700.
Because it is hundreds place. 700.
100.
100. Yes, 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next number is 11.235 equal to
11 and
11
and
you.
11
point 1 minute 2
10
11
and
and
2 10
2 with this and at last we write, isn't it? 11 and okay, 11 and
11 and 2 10
2
300
10
2 tens 300
tens
hundreds
300s
and
again and
thousands.
that I thought you just put a comma.
Yes, ma'am. 5,000. 5,000.
5,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Now third one. 9.025.
Nine and 200. 500
Ah.
and 5,000
Five.
and
Five.
5,000.
Ah. Then there is one more easy way. That also I will tell you. This 9 and 2 hundreds, 5
Thousands.
thousands. Then children, there is one more method. It is given in the textbook. You can write this way also. This, I'll scroll the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, okay, I'll write it as or question or answer or. Okay, or this 9.025 write first.
Yes, ma'am.
9 and
9
9 and 25,000. 25,000. This also okay. 25,000 because all the numbers which it comes at the last number, no, according to the last number. When I give it as a when I give these decimal numbers as fractions or fractions and decimals, there is some more confusion, some more means conversion. So in that time also you will understand it properly. There is one more method given in the textbook. Okay, do one thing. Now we won't write this. When I
Yes, ma'am.
give the conversion, we will write. So that time we will understand.
Yes, ma'am. The first one itself, it's the easy because the second
First one is easy. Second one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
little bit confused. Okay. Now I'll give this as homework also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, activity.
Now activity. Okay. Let me take my pen, book and everything so that I can mark it. 1 minute.
Ma'am, what activity?
See of Eratosthenes.
I can't understand.
See of Eratosthenes. See.
Okay.
Activity which you did in the class. And tomorrow we have a class. And tomorrow we have a class.
Okay, children. So our activity is C of Eratosthenes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, today remedial class is there.
Today remedial class is there. At what time, children? At
5:30.
5:30 and 6. Excuse me,
so
ma'am.
you join in 2 batches.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
First 1 to 15, one batch at 5:30. Others. And somebody was telling that she has her sister has if any class you can interchange your batches, no problem according to your
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow we have playing with numbers class.
Tomorrow we have playing with the numbers class test. Yes, yes. Tomorrow? Is it tomorrow Friday I told?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So if you, even I also forgot about that. Okay. So if you forget this, I will let us all remember that because tomorrow, if you want, I will take the class test. Shall I?
No need, ma'am.
Eh?
No need. We can.
Yes, ma'am, you can take.
Yes. I'll take class test. Today you study well.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One I'll call. Arun Anthony.
Ma'am.
Arun Anthony? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Arun Anthony. Then Abhinav Sajan, absent. Abhinav Sajan. Okay, Abhiday.
Ma'am.
Abhyuday is there anywhere?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Abhyuday
yes,
is showing,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Abhyuday. Altina?
Ma'am.
Call me so that I can see you. Altina. Okay. Altina, activity? Altina?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, 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 I saw. So, Ameya? Ameya was there. Sometimes she might have gone somewhere to take the activity. Ameya was there. Okay. Amida Vinod? Amida Vinod? Amida Vinod. But I cannot see your activity, only face. Amida? Later. Show me. Then, Ananya Jindo? Ananya Jindo? Absent, absent. Ananda Krishnan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Ananda Krishnan. Now, Ananya Vijish?
Ma'am,
Ananya Vijish. Okay, first page. Second page. Good, good. Colored. Okay, good. Yes, yes. Anna Tekandala?
Ma'am, can I take my activity and come?
Okay, go. Okay. Then, Anthony?
ma'am, I was not there for the class.
Okay, no problem, Anthony. Next day you show me. Arjun Krishna? Arjun Krishna? Arjun Krishna, I can see his name, but yes, yes. Arjun, activity is there with you?
Yeah, ma'am.
So bring it. Bring it, okay. Ashishuni? Ashishuni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Ashish.
Ma'am, can I show my activity?
Who is that?
Ma'am, Anna.
Yes, yes. Show me. Okay. My name only I can see. Now I saw. Okay, Anna.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Ayush
Ma'am,
stage? Yes.
ma'am, I don't have the activity.
No problem. The next day when you come, you show me. Okay. Adul AL? Adul? Adul not there. Ayan?
I'm absent.
Ayush?
Ma'am, I don't have.
You did not do. That is why.
Ma'am, I was not able to attend last class.
No, was not last class. So
Ma'am,
many
last
days
few
before.
class I was not able to attend.
Okay, no problem. Ayush, when you come next day, you bring it. Devaganga, when I started activities, all vanished. To take the activity, no problem. Devaganga? Deviga?
I was not there for the class, but I watched the recording.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Okay, Devika. Namasya? Namasya?
Ma'am.
First page. Second page. Okay, Namasya. Good. Namasya. Then Emil Lijo?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Namasya I saw. Emil Lijo?
ma'am,
Yes. Okay, Emil. Good. So how many prime numbers are between 1 and 100?
25 and 25.
25. Don't forget that. Okay, Francis. Francis, my dear. Francis. Geetika.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Geetika, show me. Okay, like window. Good. Okay. Prime numbers you did not color.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Harriet, yes, Harriet, show me. Okay, very neat. Good. Harriet, Haya Mariam, I don't know. Ismail. Yes, mathematics activity. Yes. Okay, Ismail. Kanishk
Absent.
Kanishk is always absent. I'll call his parents. Okay. After Kanishk, Malavika Bini.
Nancy is here, but her video is off.
Okay. Nihal Mustafa. Nihal. Activities there, Nihal? Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Sanega was telling about the activity. No, you are somewhere else.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then. Sian was telling me. Okay. Sanega, you have the activity? Saw it in the chat box. Sian?
Yes, ma'am.
You are there in your grandmother's house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Sanega, show me your activity. Yes. Eh? Okay. Sanega. Savio did not come.
Ma'am, Savio is there.
Savio is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is he? Savio, will you please call me?
Ma'am, he left.
Now he left.
Smriti?
Ma'am, like I don't know about the topic of the activity, or I don't know whether the activity was there. I couldn't attend the last few classes.
But it was uploaded in the YouTube.
Okay, Smriti, will you see that recorded session?
Yes, ma'am.
Or-
Ma'am, I will see it when I'm back at my home. I'm at my mother's house.
Okay, Smriti, no problem. You have your textbook with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, playing with the numbers, that chapter, when it starts, after 2-3 pages, you can see one activity, see of Eratosthenes. When you read that, you will understand. Okay, Smriti?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Shravana.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's page number 52.
Page number 52. Yes. Smriti.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashish.
Okay. Sri Rudra. She was there, but last period, now she is not there. So many people are coming back. Maybe they have taken the activity and came. Okay. Sri Rudra was Vinayak Aryan.
He's just connecting to the audio.
Okay, Vinayak. If you have the activity, you show me. Otherwise, bring it next day, no problem. Brisa is absent today. She messaged me today morning. Now, anyone is there who did not show me the activity? Somebody has taken the activity. Yes, Savio, you are. Savio, you have the activity. Savio? No. Okay. Anybody has the activity with you? Those who did not show me. So others, bring it the next day itself.
Ma'am, by the next class, right? Ma'am, next class, tomorrow's class, can we bring it?
Yes. Tomorrow's class.
Okay,
children. So what was our previous question? Write the following decimals in words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I'll give some questions. Now 4 type of questions we have done. One is giving the number, when decimal comes, you have to write the place value, or place value given, you have to convert it into the decimals. Clear? That is one type. Then other type is write the decimal in words, and when the words are given, you have to write it in decimal. Okay. Okay, children. The other type, next type of questions. So this was the previous question. And I'll give the next one. Next one. Which is greater? The fifth type. Fifth one. Which is greater? Which is greater? Which is greater? First one is 0.3 or 0.4.
0.3.
0.3.
0.3.
Ma'am, 0.3.
Yes, ma'am.
0.3 or 0.4?
0.3.
How did you know?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you only told right. When it the decimals are going to the right, the more they become less.
Decreases.
Yes, ma'am.
That I told about this one. When it goes to right, its value decreases. Clear? This is 3 out of 10. This is 4 out of 100.
Yeah,
And
ma'am,
this is
because-
5 out of 1000. I told about this 5 and 4. Clear?
Like 25.
When it goes to right side, its value decreases. Going to right side,
Ma'am, and the number.
its value decreases. Yes, children. So, not like this. See,
Ma'am,
now
so did,
listen, 316. This is place value ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So, going to left. Okay, children? Going to left, it is 300. Clear? Its value increases. Its value increases. I was telling about the decimal number like this. Not as you think. Okay.
ma'am, so did you mean?
0.3.
Ma'am, so did you mean that when numbers increase in the integral part, the
Number value
values
will
become
increase.
smaller? Okay,
Value
ma'am.
will increase, not like negative numbers.
So if
See, children, actually,
0.
actually, it is like this. This 3 is of less value because of it has 1000th place value. Clear, children?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is
Compared
only
to 5,
1,000.
1 minute, let me explain. Compared to 5, its value is very less. Clear? It is 5 by 100. And compared to 4, 4 has the maximum value because it is 4 by 10.
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In these 453, which has maximum value?
4.
4. So children, which is greater, 0.3 or 0.4?
0.4.
How will you write the place value of it? Then you will understand the place value. When you write the place value, you will understand it. Clear, children? What is the place value of 0.3?
3 by 10. 3 by 10.
3 by
10.
10. Correct. One is 3 by 10. One is 3 by 10. And other is 4 by 10.
4 by 10.
Which is greater? The out of 10 part, 3 part, or out of 10 part, 4 part? 4 part. So which is greater here?
4 by 10.
0.4. Ma'am, the both
Yes.
and there's some kind of wallpaper or something.
So go on. I erased it.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
which is greater, children? greater number?
0.4.
by 10.
0.4.
Okay,
Zero
so
point.
don't be because you don't make a mistake in this. Ball is stuck. Okay, so greater number is 0.4. You understood? But if I give a question like this, if it is 0.216, in this 216, which has greater value? 2, because it has 2 by 10 only. Out of 10 part, it is 2 part. But when compared to 6, it is 6 by 1000. Clear? Out of 1000 part, it is 6 part. It is very less. Now we understood?
Yes,
The place value, as we go to left, the place value decreases. Place value decreases as we go to the right. Sorry. So second question is 0.07 or 0.02. Don't tell answer in a hurry. Think and tell.
0.07.
0.07, which has maximum value that you have to tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children? Maximum value. Greater is 0.07.
0.07. Yes, ma'am. Next question.
11:30 now. Shall I give the questions as homework?
Yes,
So lot of homework.
Yes.
Tomorrow, let me ask you. Tomorrow, shall I take the test paper or Saturday?
Saturday.
Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll take.
It will go very fast.
Because tomorrow, how many periods are there for us, children?
I don't know.
I think so. One.
One period only.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Ma'am, don't know. Because we will get the time.
Tomorrow we have only one period, ma'am.
No problem. Shall I take tomorrow
Need
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
or Saturday?
Saturday.
Saturday. Saturday or Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, how many periods are there?
2 period.
One period.
Okay, you decide. I'll take it on Saturday.
Okay.
Okay.
On Saturday we have maths period.
Yes.
2 class.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Saturday we have class. Okay. So Saturday I will take class test. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll send the homework now itself. Okay, do it.